Our turtle crossbars and platform are now fully installed on the vehicle, and we're ready to mount the Turtle Airshell tent. In this video, we'll show you how the Airshell is placed onto the platform and how to set it up step by step. If you're ready, let's begin the installation. We start by taking the compact carrying case of our tent out of the trunk. After removing it, we open the case and prepare the tent for setup. Now, we prepare our electric pump to inflate the tent. The pump can be easily operated using the car's cigarette lighter socket. We attach the pump hose to the tent's valve and start the inflation process. Thanks to the electric pump, the tent quickly takes shape and becomes ready for use. With its lightweight and portable structure, the inflated tent can be easily lifted onto the vehicle by 2 people. Next, we attach the included ladder to the tent. Its foldable design allows it to be quickly secured to the connection points, providing safe access to the tent. And just like that, the setup of our Turtle Airshell tent is complete. With its lightweight construction and practical design, it becomes ready to use in just a few simple steps. Now, a comfortable and fast camping experience awaits you on all your journeys.